Erwin here. Check this out. In Boston, Massachusetts at the Forbes 30 Under 30 Summit, day one. I'm here personally to document this. So I'm creating this channel to share with you what goes on at Forbes 30 Under 30. And the big question I'm trying to answer this entire trip is, how do you get on that list, right? I'm 30 years old, I can't even qualify anymore, but how do people get on this list? I'm curious, and I'll show you how they did it.
Take this out.
Just got done with the Marshmallow concert with my homie Mike here.
What a day.
So one thing I learned from Mike and his business partners, actually I picked up a few things in this few short hours. To make it to the 30 Under 30 list, you need about three things. You either start a business, you have some kind of clout, or you're making some kind of impact. That's the way I would summarize those three things.
Or you make a lot of money, number 4.
But here's the thing, I got to talk to two people on the list that was on the list last year, and they've been invited back to speak or just to be part of the Forbes Summit. But one thing that I thought was unique was the people who run businesses. The thing that they had in their application was like a mission statement along with the metrics with the people, the number of people that they're actually impacting. So Mike here, I mean, he's a little shy, but
So all in, we've created about 10,000 new jobs all across Florida through financing different projects.
Yeah.
So it's really about figuring out what you care about and making it happen.
Yeah, 10,000 jobs, a lot of jobs. He deserves to be on that list last year.
No, we got lucky. There's a lot of other people involved.
One thing I learned was the mission. It's very helpful to have a mission. It's helpful to create jobs, and you gotta meet cool people. I think that's the idea. I learned a lot about my friend Ari, who was on the vlog earlier. I mean, he's an expert in the cannabis industry. It's a hot new space.
In any industry, if you're the best at what you do,
yeah,
that's it. Then you're good.
Then we're good. And not only that, he also like, when you have inside information, you can make bets.
Yeah.
Like with much more accuracy.
Outsized bets. Good returns.
Yeah. We're all here to just meet people, learn from each other. But this is day 0. Just got done with Marshmallow. Let's get it. Day 1 or day 2 tomorrow. Let's close it out.